BTS and Stray Kids are two of the most popular K-pop groups in the world. They are both known for their catchy songs, energetic performances, and devoted fanbases. However, there are some key differences between the two groups. BTS, Bangtan Sonyeondan, also known as Bangtan Boys, is a 7-member boy group that debuted in 2013. The group consists of members RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. BTS is known for their diverse musical style, which incorporates elements of pop, hip-hop, R&B, and EDM. They are also known for their elaborate music videos and stage performances. BTS has achieved global success, becoming the first K-pop group to top the Billboard 200 album chart and the first K-pop group to perform at a Grammy Awards. They have also won numerous awards, including the American Music Award for Artist of the Year in 2020. Stray Kids. Stray Kids is an 8-member boy group that debuted in 2018. The group consists of members Bang Chan, Lee No, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Seungmin, and IN. Stray Kids is known for their self-producing abilities and their powerful rap and dance performances. Stray Kids has quickly become one of the most popular K-pop groups of the 4th generation. They have won numerous awards, including the Rookie of the Year award at the Golden Disc Awards and the Seoul Music Awards. Comparison. BTS is the more senior and experienced group, having debuted 5 years before Stray Kids. BTS has also achieved greater commercial success, with more album sales and concert ticket sales. However, Stray Kids is rapidly gaining popularity, and they are considered to be one of the top K-pop groups of the 4th generation. Both BTS and Stray Kids are known for their high-quality music, energetic performances, and devoted fanbases. However, BTS has a more diverse musical style, while Stray Kids is known for their self-producing abilities and powerful rap and dance performances. Which group is better? Ultimately, it is up to the individual listener to decide which group they prefer. There is no right or wrong answer. Both groups, BTS and Stray Kids, are two of the most popular K-pop groups in the world. They are both known for their catchy songs, energetic performances, and devoted fanbases.